Look up at the night sky. There are over 100 billion stars in our galaxy alone, and most of them have planets. Statistically, the universe should be teeming with intelligent life. We should be seeing radio signals, megastructures, and alien empires. But when we look out into the void, there is nothing. Total, terrifying silence. This contradiction is known as the Fermi Paradox. For decades, scientists have tried to explain why the universe is so quiet. But in the second book of the Three-Body Problem series, author Cixin Liu offers a solution that is so chilling, it changes the way you look at the stars forever. It is called the dark forest theory. To understand the dark forest, you must first accept two unshakable axioms of cosmic sociology. Axiom number 1, survival is the primary need of every civilization. Axiom number 2, civilization continuously grows and expands, but the total matter in the universe remains constant. This means that the universe is a closed system with limited resources. In a closed system, any growing civilization will eventually run out of resources and must expand outward, inevitably coming into conflict with other civilizations over those same resources. Now, imagine you discover another alien civilization. You might want to communicate with them peacefully, but you are immediately hit by a psychological wall called the chain of suspicion. You don't know if they are peaceful or hostile. Even if they tell you they are peaceful, you cannot know if they are lying. Furthermore, they don't know if you are peaceful. Because communication across light years is incredibly slow, it is impossible to establish trust. In the time it takes to send a message and receive a reply, a civilization could have a technological explosion, a sudden, massive leap in scientific progress that turns them from a harmless neighbor into a supreme threat. Because of the chain of suspicion and the threat of a technological explosion, the safest assumption for any civilization to make is that all other civilizations are hostile threats to their survival. Therefore, the universe is not a friendly neighborhood. The universe is a dark forest. Every civilization is an armed hunter stalking through the trees like a ghost, gently pushing aside branches that block the path and trying to tread without sound. Even breathing is done with care. The hunter has to be careful because everywhere in the forest are stealthy hunters like him. If he finds other life, another hunter, an angel or a demon, a delicate infant or a tottering old man, a fairy or a demigod, there's only one thing he can do: open fire and eliminate them. In this forest, hell is other people, an eternal threat that any life that exposes its own existence will be swiftly wiped out. This is why the universe is silent. It is not because it is empty. It is because everyone is hiding. The stars are not peaceful. They are a graveyard of anyone foolish enough to turn on a flashlight.